Looking for ways to update a poof sleeve on your mini dress? In this tutorial, we're going to sew the dawn dress from scratch. The dress features poof sleeves with cover button ends, clean neckline finish with keyhole closure at back, and mini skirt panel pieces that are fun to wear. Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju, the creator of this channel that helps you buy less, sew more, and make DIY clothing. I use light to medium poly crepe floral print fabric, but you can also use viscose crepe or any other poly blend that drapes beautifully as alternatives. Additionally, solid or even micro ditzy print will suit this dress. Transfer the bust darts location on the right and left side of the bodice to the fabric by using pin to point, water erasable pen, and a ruler to connect the dart legs. Fold the darts in half lengthwise and pin along the mark line to straight stitch. Press the darts toward the bottom. Do the same to transfer the back waist darts on both sides of the fabric with the sewing tools. Fold the darts to pin and straight stitch. Press the darts toward the sides. Place the right side of the front and back bodice pieces to facing each other and stitch to close the shoulder and side seams with 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance. Finish the seams with overlock stitch and press the seam towards the back bodice. Create in-binding for neckline keyhole by placing the right side of strip on the right side of the back bodice. Sew 1/4 inch and fold over towards the inside to double fold. Then edge top stitch to finish. If needed, press to create clean finish look. Use the remaining bias strap to place along the neckline with right side facing together. Then pin and sew 1/4 inch width straight stitch. Open the strap and edge top stitch along the seam on the right side of the bias strap. Fold over the strap towards the inside and fold the raw edges again to sandwich and pin the neckline. Edge top stitch and press to finish. Adjust the stitch width to 5.0 and straight stitch notch to notch 1/4 inch width along the sleeve edge. Fold the sleeve right side facing each other, close the underarm sleeve with 3/8 of an inch width straight stitch, and finish with overlock. Press the seam toward the back sleeve. Overlock the sleeve hem, double fold 1/4 inch width and top stitch to finish. Place front and side skirt facing each other, sew the seams with 3/8 of an inch width seam allowance and overlock to finish. Press the seam towards the side seam and side seams toward the back of the dress. Place the back and back side skirt pieces facing each other, then sew the seams 3/8 of an inch width and overlock to finish. Press the seam towards the side seams. Join the front and back skirts together with 3/8 of an inch width seam allowance along the side and finish with overlock. Gently pull the thread along the sleeve to ease the gathering. Slide the sleeve to the armhole of the bodice and match the notches to pin. Sew around the armhole with 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance and overlock stitch to finish the edges. Place the right side of the bodice on the right side of the skirt and pin along the waistline. Stitch 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance and finish with overlock stitch. Overlock stitch the edges of center back on both openings. Lay the right side of the back facing together, measure 18 inches down from the center back neckline and pin. Close the center back seam from pin point to the hem and press the seam open. Open the invisible zipper and pin along the zipper tape. Change the regular zipper foot to special zipper foot and sew along the zipper tape. Create 6 pieces of button covers with self fabric. Use the template and cover button kit to attach the fabric onto the round button. Turn the dress inside out. Measure 3 inches away from the tuck notches and pin to straight stitch. Open the tuck and press with iron for tuck release look. Hand sew 3 cover button pieces along the tuck on each sleeve. Lastly, hand sew the hook and eye on the opening of the neck keyhole on the center back. Give a nice press all around the dress and close the hook and eye at back to enjoy your finished dawn dress. Thank you for watching. Hope this video inspires you to make the dawn dress with me. If you like this sewing tutorial video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming sewing challenge. Additionally, scroll down to the description below to locate the dawn dress sewing pattern, and you will find the step-by-step picture instructions on the website for you to follow. Share your DIY dress on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial to get featured and follow us for more inspiration. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!